Welcome back, and today we're back in Accra, Ghana, and we're going to take you right around the city, show you some of the challenges and how we overcome them. Personally, my preferred method of getting around the city is using a ride-hailing app like Uber or Bolt. They work pretty good most of the time. Sometimes you do run into some snags, but they're pretty economical, pretty cheap. And like most people, already have the app, so it's pretty easy to use. Ghana, like many other African nations, currently doesn't have the infrastructure on the level of the West or even parts of Latin America. But over the last 10 years, there's been a very big push to change that. There's been a lot more construction of buildings, homes, new roads, highway and railway projects. Also better internet connectivity, which mainly depends on wireless services like 4G. We got somebody coming up here, looks like they got plantain chips. Lady. Yeah, so that's part of the snacks you can get out here on the street. We can always just take a look and see what's going on. It's an airport residential area. That's where we're at right now. Got policemen out there directing traffic. Looks like they giving some tickets out too. I don't know. So yeah, we're actually going to the Commuting Hotel, which is one of the better hotels here. Supposed to be an event there. We'll see if it's still going on or not. If not, we'll just turn around and come back. I just saw the sign for Colombian Embassy back there, but don't have any business there today, so. Let's see what it looks like once we get there. All right, and then now I don't know what's going on. You don't have gas? No gas? And here we are. Side of the road, I guarantee, bro, just ain't got no gas. What I'm seeing there, it looks like no gas. I don't know if you guys can see it here. I guess I'll get out. I don't want to sit in this car while we're just sitting here baking. Let's see what he's looking at. Oh, now the car's moving. You see, when you're in Africa, man, there's always something. There's always an issue. I woke up to issues. I got a call this morning about issues at the house. Temperature-wise today is not too hot. Obviously, it's not. It is hot. It's in the 80s for sure. I don't know if I'm getting acclimated, but the sun is not too intense. So we got overcast a little bit, scattered clouds, a little bit of haze, and when the breeze comes through, it's full breeze, so it feels good. That's different. I really do think he's low on gas. When these kind of situations arise, I realize it's best to just take a deep breath, wait a while, have some patience. Worst case scenario, I'll just have to cancel this ride and hail another Uber.
It is ridiculous though. And people are mad at us in traffic because whatever, but he needs to go ahead and cancel this. All right, this is getting a little too much. Homeboys out here pushing. People are yelling at us in traffic. It's looking a little dangerous, man. So I think I'm about to just get out and cancel this thing. Cause yeah. We gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? Seems like whenever we're pointing downhill, a little bit of fluid that's in the tank actually makes it to the engine. Whenever we go up to it's not enough gas in the tank. That's probably what I'm gonna have to do. But it'd be nice if we can get in and do something to eat there. Nothing else, even if we don't get into the event. Just go in and get a pretty good restaurant. There it is, we do so. That's the hotel, right? Kapitsky? Yeah. All right, so we made it in here, the Bitcoin Conference Africa. It's all these conferences are kind of underwhelming after a while, just because I don't know, they get to be the same thing, but at least they trying here in Africa. Ooh, what's this right here? Got a little kiosk.
So this is the last day of the conference, and I got the word a little late. So by the time I got there, it seemed like most of the activities had already finished. So I just headed upstairs, got something to eat by the pool. But the good thing is I did still get to see some personalities while I was there, and got a little bit of the feel of the crypto energy in Ghana. Either way, it was good to see Africans starting to look at tools that give them more control of their finances.
Yeah, so this is it. This is where they had that conference at here in Ghana.
So today we rode around the city and I showed you a different side of Accra. But if you want to see more, go to my Ghana playlist and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.